Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we will be spending some time upgrading the firewall that I have here in the lab. This is a 1010 unit that is connected to our Security Cloud Control, specifically to a cloud delivered FMC. Today we'll kick off that upgrade and we'll get things going. So I'm currently logged in to the Security Cloud Control. And one of the things that I can see here on the top right is a software upgrade recommendation. Now I have a single firewall that's running 7.4.2. And as you can see here, this firewall has two critical security advisories and it's in critical need of a software upgrade. Let's get things going. Let's find out a little bit more. So we'll click on details here. And right now we can see that I have a recommended version of 7.4.3. This will take care of 16 security vulnerabilities, no bug fixes, and it looks like we have an estimated downtime of 20 minutes. It's pretty good information. Then we also have the golden version right now, which is 7.6.2.1. 16 vulnerabilities are fixed. This one has a larger downtime of about 40 minutes. We also have some new features here. And if we click show all, we can see on the right side what some of the features are. And there's always a good opportunity to take a look at the release notes and just find out a bit more detail on what this upgrade would entail. Let's close that out. We can see we also have another recommended version here, recommended version 2, 7.7.10.1. It's the same thing. Security vulnerability fixes are 16. This would take about 40 minutes, and there's also a bunch of new features there as well. It's always good practice to go to the gold star when possible. One of the things that's always recommended is doing a bug scrub in your environment for whatever release you're going to jump into. Even if it's a gold star, there can be a possibility of issues occurring. So it's always good to have a deep dive into that configuration that you have just to see if it's a fit to the software that you're going to use. Always take a look at the release notes. Always take a look at some of the bugs that are out there, the bug fixes that are out there in those notes. That's all important stuff to take a look at. Now, here within Security Cloud Control, I can see the three different versions that I'm being recommended. I'm going to go towards the golden version, which is 7.6.2.1. That way, we can take care of these vulnerabilities, and we'll also have a couple new features that we can potentially explore in future videos. Let's go back up to our software upgrade planner, which is a part of the AI ops of Security Cloud Control. We can see here a summary. I'm currently on 7.4.2. We can see the upgrade options that we have. Let's go over to the go to product upgrade. This is going to take me into the cloud delivered FMC, the cdFMC. And we can see here that I have a firewall that needs to be upgraded. The suggested release, that gold star 7.6.2. Let's take a look at this and let's do the upgrade. We'll follow this process. And it gave us a warning already. It's about 40 minutes. So that's good information just so you can plan a proper downtime with the locations. So we'll see here, we have our FTD. It's an upgrade candidate. Let's check this box. We want to, let's make sure, in attendant mode, we'll just prepare for the upgrade. We want to go through everything here. Let's give this a little bit of time while it downloads the package from the site. So it's currently downloading that 7.7.6.2 code. The download has completed. It's been validated as well. We have a message here, not ready for upgrade. The compatibility check passed. Readiness check in progress. Let's check back in just a few minutes. We are now ready for the upgrade. The compatibility and readiness checks passed. So let's start the upgrade. All right, we're going to start the upgrade on the device. Here we go. The device upgrade is currently in progress. And we have a detailed status here that we can click on, which will give us information on the percentage completed, what's happening during the upgrade, and once it's completed, it'll give us that message as well. So let's check back in a little bit as we take a look at the upgrade to 7.6.2 on this Firepower 1010. Just checking in, we can see here that we are 50% completed, 14 minutes remaining. So things are moving along. We are at 99%, as we can see there. The installation completed successfully. The upgraded applications are starting, so it'll take just a few more minutes. But so far, it seems like it was a little bit less than the 40 minutes that we were originally estimated. So far, so good doing this upgrade from Security Cloud Control. We have completed our upgrade to version 762-329. We can look through the logs and we can take a look at some of the information that occurred during the upgrade. If you wanted to check out the times or how long things actually took, you can see some of that in the log details. We can see our upgrade has been completed. Let's close that out. Let's go over to our devices, device management. We can see we are in 762. Let's try a deploy. It says we're ready for deployment. We'll check this box. We'll click deploy. We have some validation warnings. We'll choose to ignore those for now. Let's ignore the warnings and let's click deploy. Here we go. So we can see here the deployment to the firewall has been completed. Let's switch over to my lab network. All right. And looks like we're in good shape. We have a check mark, things are good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend some time reading the release notes, which is what I should have done in the beginning before upgrading. That's what you should definitely do before you upgrade. Whether it's the lab or production, it's always good to take a look at the release notes and see what you're jumping into and what new features you will be unlocking or if there's any requirements. But as you can see here, this was pretty seamless, this upgrade from Security Cloud Control from our cdFMC to the firewall that I have here in the lab. I'll see you on the next one.